ARMM,
Autonomous Region, Muslim Mindanao,
Lano del Sur,
Marawi,
Basilan,
Lamitan,
Maguindanao,
Buluan,
Tawi-Tawi,
Bangaw,
Sulu,
Hulo,
Car,
Cordillera Administrative Region,
Abra,
Banggid,
Apayao,
Kabugao,
Benguet,
La Trinidad,
Ifugao,
Lagawi,
Kalinga,
Tabuk,
Mountain Province,
Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga,
NCR,
National Capital Region,
Caloocan,
Caloocan,
Lungsod ng Quezon,
Manila, Quezon,
Las Piñas,
Piñas,
Maynila,
Manila,
Marikina,
so capital of the Philippines,
Malabon,
Usbong o maraming labong,
Makati,
financial capital ng bansa,
Mandaluyong,
Tiger City,
Muntinlupa,
Emerald City,
Navotas,
gateway to the Calabarzon area, Navotas, pagitan ng Tondo at Malabon,
Pasig, Pasay,
the primary gateway to the Philippines,
Pateros,
Metropolitan Manila,
Parañaque,
Paraake o Tigil,
San Juan,
San Juan del Monte,
Taguig,
Tagagiik,
Valenzuela,
Pulo,